right, guys, it's really important to save yourself time out of the sun to do pre-assembly. So these fixtures, like all fixtures, will come with the stake in the box, but not actually attached to the fixture. So, you know, taking a few minutes of time and doing this in the shade is always a good idea. It helps with, you know, obviously working smarter, but it also helps in keeping all your trash from blowing all over if you've got any wind, and keeping, you know, again, put the fixtures in the field. So a little bit of time here saves you a lot of time out there, if that makes sense. We also do have, on this particular installation, we're using an integrated WAC fixture. However, I did bring an example of what we, you know, also sell. It's not integrated, it's what we consider drop-in. So basically it has a LED, in this case an LED lamp, that is dropped into this particular housing. And then it's got, most of these lights come with a double gasket. This helps to keep water and other contaminants from getting into the fixture. Then once you drop that on, it's got a thumb screw. Once you get the shroud turned the right way, then you can tighten that down. Another great professionally built product. Not all drop-in product is created equal, but we do sell only professional grade products at Lighting Warehouse.